Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by measuring 1820 G of medium coarse coffee and heating water to 92-96 degrees C. This preserves flavor. Once heated, preheat the French press glass and your mug to maintain temperature. This matters. Add grounds, then pour 50-60 ml water to saturate all particles. Bloom for 30-45 seconds to release trapped CO2 so extraction will be even. Make sure to use a consistent 1:16 ratio of coffee to water. This sets the foundation for the rest. Once the bloom is done, pour the remaining water up to 300 ml in a steady, circular motion so all grounds are submerged evenly. Stir gently with a non-metal spoon for 10-15 seconds to break the surface crust and ensure uniform extraction. Avoid vigorous agitation that over-extracts bitter compounds. Then set the lid with the plunger pulled up and start a timer for 3.5 to 4 minutes total brew time. This balance yields a clean, full-bodied cup. You finish by plunging slowly and steadily over 15 to 20 seconds. Apply even pressure and avoid slamming down, which forces fines through the mesh. Once plunged, pour immediately into a carafe or cups to stop extraction. Leaving coffee in the press makes it bitter. If the brew tastes muddy or harsh, troubleshoot. Use a coarser grind, shorten brew time, or decant into another vessel right after plunging. With those adjustments, you'll dial in a clean, balanced cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.